All right, this is the first video of our new series called Will It Stick? So today we have a 12 pack of Costco square tissues. You can go ahead and see the weight. I just weighed it on our scale over there. So you can see that on the screen, what the weight is, and here's the size. And go ahead and comment below if you feel that this will stick or won't stick to our carpet tile tape, which is a double-sided heavy-duty tape. I went ahead and placed it on this pillar here, and here's the box of tissues, and we're just gonna stick it right on there and see if this will hold, see if our tape will hold it. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel off the top layer, because this is double-sided, of our tape. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel that off, and we're gonna test it out. So hurry up, comment below, go ahead and comment, yes or no, will it hold? And then after our video today, go ahead and comment with an item that you would like to see us place on our wall to see if it will stick with our double-sided carpet tile tape. Which, if you need the carpet tile tape, go ahead and find the link in the description below, or search on Amazon carpet tile tape and look for the bright orange label. All right, let's go ahead and place it on here and see if it'll stick. Here we go. Ready? Are you ready? It's sticking. It's sticking. It's sticking, guys. It's definitely sticking. So if you put yes in the comments, you're awesome. And if you need some tape, go to carpettiletape.com. You can see how strong it is, holding up a 12 pack of square tissues. Go ahead and comment below on an item that you would like to test our double-sided tape on. And I think it's gonna stick for a very long time, actually. So this was an easy one, 12 pack of tissues. Our double-sided carpet tile tape is holding up very well. If you need some, go to carpettiletape.com, right here, the link, or just search on Amazon carpet tile tape. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated, and we'll see you in the next video of Will It Stick? See you then.